Today, I'm going to show you how to get Base44 code in just a few simple clicks. If you're trying to access the code for your project inside Base44, this quick walkthrough will help you find it fast without wasting time looking through menus. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the project that contains the code you want to get. Make sure you're in the correct project so you're viewing the right files and data. Once the project is open, look for the dashboard option and click it. This will take you to the main control area for that project, where Base44 organizes the important tools and sections you need. After you're in the dashboard, find the code option and click on it. This is where you'll be able to access the code for the project. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to look through the dashboard menu carefully, since different layouts may place it in slightly different spots, but in most cases the path is simple. Open the project, go to Dashboard, then click Code. And that's it, you've now found how to get Base44 code. It really is that easy when you know exactly where to click. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide.